Hello and welcome to Simon's Solar Shed. I just wanted to show you something really with regards to this MSI gaming laptop, which I've had for about 6 years. And I was going to do a little bit of some maintenance on it, make sure there's no like dust clogging the ducts and any other bits that might be floating around in here after all them years. So I took the top off already to expose it all. And I was also wanted to check the battery as well, because over time, especially the bag type batteries, which is lithium polymer batteries, you know, they sort of expand as they get old, and they tend to push, you know, the device apart, you know. So I wanted to check that as well. But to my amazement, I found a lovely surprise. It wasn't one of them bag batteries after all, it was 18650. And I got loads of these. That's excited me actually, because I thought I'd have to buy a new one for this. And because of the age of the laptop, I was thinking, was it worth it? Because it won't even let me upgrade to Windows 11 due to the processor it uses, which is madness because this is more than capable. I think it's got a what's the graphics on it? It's got NVIDIA GeForce GTX it's an MSI with a GeForce GTX 1050 Ti processor in it. Well, to me that's still pretty good, you know, for what I want, editing and, you know, videos for YouTube, etc. And in all fairness, this laptop's in good condition because I kept it nice. So I'm thinking it might be worth investing a bit of time in it and sorting it out. Vis-a-vis the battery. Now I know I can do something with that, even if I can eke a couple of more years out of it. So yeah. So if you've got one of these laptops and your battery's on its way out, you know, maybe think about creating your own pack. I'm going to try it with this one. I'll either add the result to this video or I'll put it up in another one. But at the moment I'm just maintaining it and cleaning it up. But yeah, that was a nice surprise for me, that was actually. It's still a good laptop. I've always liked MSI. Anyway, once I get this pack done, I'll do some tests and see how long it lasts. Hello, it's me again, Simon's Solar Shed. This is like part 2 of the video I recorded yesterday, which I haven't uploaded yet, so I'll have to edit it so it's all joined to one. Anyway, this is the battery I want to repair. So I got made. That's it. That's it, put it into frame like that, yeah. Okay, there's the battery. So if I get a screwdriver, wait. Okay, let's take that out of there. You know, this looks like a normal laptop battery that you used to be able to plug underneath the laptop. It's got the connectors there as well, look. The only difference being there's no case surrounding this, which is easier for me to replace them. I'm going to test them first, do them a capacity test, see what they're like after about 6 or 7 years of use. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, and try and repair this. How do you pause? Pause here. Okay, stop. Right, this is where I'm going to disassemble the battery, and well, before I do that I'm going to have to make sure I get every wire correct, because it'll have balancing in this as well, so each wire I go to, I'll show you. Yeah, so you've got your temp sensor there. You've got several wires going off into what balances the batteries. Keep them all in line. So I'll have to make sure I've got all the wiring diagram down before I take this apart. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay. Alright. So, here we are. Let's get a pen. Use a pencil, I suppose. There you go, you got all your outlines like that. That's it, put that there. There we go. And what we've got to do here now, take that back. I'll just divide these up, like so. Where's the... Sorry. Okay. Oh, come on. Right. Okay. So that represents the cells. So we place it there like so now. And we're going to determine the black wire here for onto this cell. So we'll just put a blob there. And we're going to have that goes to the board. This board here. And that's black. Yeah. We'll make a note of the polarity of the batteries as well. So it looks like the positives are going this way. So you got your positive. Another positive. Yep. Positive. Positive. Okay. So plus. 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 Okay. Okay, so now we've got to figure out how these are wired. What's this, a 3 series? Like it. Yeah, so I'm going to have to carefully take this plastic away, or at least get the batteries out and the board out of it. I think this just slides out. It might. Yeah, it does. So we can get that out without damaging it. Okay, very carefully. That's it. There we go. There we go. Take that away nicely. I can be using that again. So here's the board, charging circuit and all that, the BMS. So it looks to me like we've got these two are joined, and there's a red wire coming off this one, right? So we're going to take that. In fact, I'm just going to draw. I'll draw the little board going across there like so. from there to there. Right. This is the connector. Sorry, I've not got it in frame. There's the connector. Right, same as that really. Right, so what we got here then is a red wire coming off the positive terminal here, and it goes to there. Yeah, I mean that's easy enough. I mean, once you put that board back in place, all the wires will follow suit anyways. They'll be in the same position as you took them off, so it won't be a lot of guesswork. Anyway, so this is your positive B plus, which goes underneath the board there. B plus, and then here's your thermistor, your temperature. If that goes over a certain temperature, it'll just shut off. So we ain't got to worry about that though, because that we could just pull that off. There we go. Okay, so we take that away, and it looks like we got a balance wire here on the negative. So here's your, there we go. So that goes like, oh yeah, your black. In fact, I might just forget that. That just confused me. Right, forget that. What we want to make a note of is, obviously this is negative. So you've got your negative here, and then the negative goes to TP11. That sounds like a test point. Yeah, well, that's the black wire anyway off the negative, and that goes just at the side of this socket here. So that is black, negative. Right, and it looks like these are connected at the ends too, and looks like, oh, here we go. So yeah, these, yeah, right. So these two are joined together like so, and it looks like there's an insulator between the positive and the negative. So these are not I see. Yeah, looks like a 3 series battery, doesn't it? Oh, there's a blue one coming off here as well. So what we got? So this one is the blue wire, right? Blue. Off this one, off the last battery, there's an orange. Orange. And yeah, your B plus, your red. So they're connected together. These are connected together. These are connected together. These are connected together. And these are too. Yeah. It's basically parallel, parallel, parallel. Yeah. And then them are wired in series. That's 3 series, I think. Yeah, I'll have to be careful because that board bends quite easily. So I've got all the wires now. I've got
red, orange. Yep. This is your thermistor. You've got to worry about that. And you have your blue. Cool, cool. Orange and black. So now we're going to have to put the soldering iron on. Aim of the camera. There you go. Right, and where's it out of here? So here is. Alright, so keep it in that square, I'll be alright. I won't be going off camera. Right. I'll just wait for the soldering iron to heat up. Right, see if this is hot enough. Actually, right. Where's the brush? Okay, we are going to have to take that off. So I'll take it off. Okay. Come on. There we go. Let's bin that off. Let's get this wire off. I've run out of soldering iron bits, I'll have to get some more. This is terrible. Okay, we got that off. This off. That was silly. Could have stabbed myself with that then. Right. Okay. Let's take this off. Nice. Very nice. Oh gosh. Okie dokie. Sorry it's taking so long. I dare say I'll edit this out after anyway. Here we go. So cut that off as well, yeah. Cut it. There we go. Keep that off. Stay straight. Alright. Okay. So. Okie dokie. Let's get that off. So look. What if we put on number 2? And then move that back a bit. Yeah. Okay, so we get that off. And we get that off. Come on. We'll keep that as it is. I won't move any other wires, so they're all in the same position. Look. Now, we need a tool. Alright. Now very carefully, because I want to keep these. These are look like some kind of insulator there. So if I can, I'll try and keep that. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Just be careful with these in case you short them. They've still got enough in there to cause you a problem. Okay, so there's one. There's There's the other one. There's another one here, isn't there? Awesome. Oh yeah, see that? Did you see that? Yeah, that's not good. Okay, I won't be doing that again. Right. So that's all off, isn't it? Now what we're going to do, I'll just back you off a bit. There you go. Which one should I want? There we go. Right. So we're going to take, again, be very careful. Okay, this is rolling on there really good. Usually I can just pull it lightly and it'll come off. There we go. Nah, these ain't good enough. Let's try these. Alright, that's marginally better. Come on. Do you know what though? Don't even need to take these apart at the moment, do I? But I will test them. Yeah, I think they're all of the same capacity and they all have the same internal resistance, which is quite low actually. So there's no harm in putting these together, which I have done in my battery bank on the solar shed. So let's see what the state. Okie doke. So we'll let that do its thing. There we go. Let's see what the charger's saying. Let's back up a bit. Okay, that's better. Let's get rid of the glasses. Have a look. That's saying 4.17, 18, 19, 42, 365, 417. I think this one I used in my Mesh-tastic Liligo T-beam a couple of times. So that will need charging up a little bit. But they're all good. Better than these. So yeah, I'll just wait for them to charge up a bit and I'll be right back. Hello again. Let's put this over there. Right. So I have, let's have a look at it in shot. Yeah, cool. We have a bit there like that, with a bit coming down like that. This is some nickel strip what we use to weld the battery tabs together. So, like so. Okay. So we have that. Yeah. I'm going to cut it about there. Okay. So I think this nickel's a bit fat, a bit wide. So what I'm going to do is trim it in the centre, like so. Oops, that's silly. That was silly. Right. Let's move this out of the way for a minute. Is weld them together like so. Yeah. What I might do is put a bit of tape around there to help me hold it. So keep it together. On there like so. Oh god, that's piercing, that is. Right. Come on. Alright, you're ready. So, I'm going to get that there. I'm going to get that. There we go. So that's one. Get that there. Okay. Nice. One more. Lovely. One more. Excellent. So that's on. That's tight enough, isn't it? So we'll bend that down there, let's say. Okay. So now, the bottom one, we can see how long we need that tab there. We take that, we're going to cut it off about there. Just here. There we go. So that wire will reach that now. Look. The bottom. I'll hold that onto there, like so. Oh, come on. Okay. Could do with a clamp. Right. Yeah. That's cool. Nice. And there. And there. Lovely. Right. So now I've got another two lined up, and I'm going to solder this last tab on. Yo. How awkward this is. Right. Right, let's try that. Okay, I got this far. Put the tabs on. That's it. Yeah, I put the tabs on ready. So if I just snip it here, scissors, like so. Open it up again. Flatten it. That's it. Then I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to trim this in half because we don't need that wide. We don't need it that wide at all. Right, so I'm going to go. Okay. There. Right. So that's just the perfect width. Look. Okay. So first of all, just bend it right there like that. Okay. That's for your blue wire. So we're going to measure. In fact, I might just solder them on now. So, right. I'll pop that there like so. Just straighten it. Hang on a minute. I guess myself knotted up sometimes, I do. So I'll put that there, like so. Sorry, it's the wrong way around, isn't it? There, like that. I can't do it. Like this. Please, please work. Please work. Nice. Nice. That was a good clean weld. Huh? Whee! That's because I put the terminals together, innit? What a stupid fool. There we go. That's it. So now we can, when those two batteries are charged here, I can pull that around like so. You know, like I did here. And then that'll fold in on itself like this one, see? So that's there. So we have that. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly solder these tabs on whilst I'm waiting for these batteries to charge. Okay, so I'm going to put a dab on there, double flux. And I hate it when the soldering iron goes to sleep. Okay, so first of all, I'll pull the tabs away from the battery side, you know, so it don't burn through the insulation. Come on. So yeah, there we go. Get on there. Beautiful. You. There we go. Beautiful. Last one, so on the end of here. Lovely. It's okay, I'm still waiting for these to charge up. There's not long left on them now. And then I can finish the last two. And I can install it into the laptop and see if it charges okay and it holds a charge well. That's the ultimate outcome for me anyway. I've had to put a bit of a backbone in it for now to keep it all together whilst I'm soldering it and welding it. This. Wait. Bend that to there. Just making sure I'm still recording. Yeah, I am. Right. Let's move that out of the way a minute. Yeah. Keep that straight. And keep that there. So. I'm going to turn this on. And then we're going to attempt to weld it. So we're going to pop that there. Push this lead around here. So there we go. Let's check it. Yay. Right, this one. Lovely. This one. Beautiful. Nice. Right. So now we're going to put these together. And then that can go. Yeah, that's right. I can go that way, can't I? What did I do with that board? Wait a minute. Oh, here it is. So move that out of the way a second. Insulator. Where's that insulator gone? I've lost the insulator for this bit here, the last bit, so I'm going to use this flame-proof stuff. It'll do the job. Put it about there, yeah. Okay, so what's the thickness of it? Yeah, about there. Alright. Okay. I wonder if I can do it from this angle. Try it, shall we? Yo. Come on. You can do it. You have to have like 2 pairs of hands, don't you really? Come on. Let's have a look. Trying to get it welded on there. Okay. Yay, that's good, that's good. And you? Yeah. Come on. Yo. Nice. That worked. That worked. I want to put another weld there actually, just on the edge there. Okay, so get you in there. There we go, that'll do. Right, so that's there. Let's put this insulator in here. Ooh. Nice. So just trying to square it off really. So I'm pushing off, I should be. So put that on. Oh, can you see that meter? Okay, you can see it. Just checking. There we go. Oh, 12.36. Yep, that's brilliant. That is brilliant. Yeah. Obviously the voltage will get pulled down when it's under load, so it probably will end up about 10.1 volt. Right, let's get rid of that. Let's go about. So, all this is welded. So now we've got a case of putting. Okay. And this video is already running into nearly an hour, like, you know, almost. Okay. She's good. Okay. Alright. So what we're going to do here is solder that. Wait, let's get back into there. We're going to solder sense wires. Pop that onto there. In fact, I could trim a little bit of that off because it's we don't want it too long, do we? Right. Flux and solder. Lovely jubbly. Right, you do not want to burn through this whilst it's connected to the positive terminal here, because it's going to short it out in it, so always pull the tabs away. Okay, so we're going to put that like so, and that's it, and that is it, and put it back where it was. And we're going to use, okay, now we're going to use insulation tape, right, to put over the thermistor, like so. Let's push that inside there. Okay, so that's in there, in there. That's it. That's it for that. That's it. What I'm going to. Okay. So this is the end result anyway. I've put some insulation tape around it just to hold it all together nicely. Hopefully that'll give me a couple of years, you know, if it works out. I mean, the capacity of them are okay. I've already tested them. I'm back at the the other bench now, so I'm just installing this battery I fixed, well, hopefully fixed, into the MSI gaming laptop. It's got a 17-inch screen on it actually. I quite like it. Right, let's put that screw in. Okay, with my little screwdriver on. Here it is. we'll pop this little retaining screw back into it. Okay. Okay, so that's tight. That's cool. That's in. That's right. Let's put the okay. Let's turn her over. Actually, I don't really want to put the board on the blanket, so I might move the blanket. Electrostatic discharge and all that. I don't, you know, you've got to be careful. So off you go. And roll that back, revealing the dirty breadboard. Right, okay. So I'll flip this over now. Okay, zoom out a bit. Alright. Open it up. There, okay. Oh yeah, I think you have to initiate it by plugging the charger in first. So I'll just go and get the charger. Okay, this is I've just flipped the laptop up and powered it on. If you've taken out the battery lock, I'm sorry, I don't know if you can see that. There, see where the battery logo is. Just oh, this isn't very good at all. Hang on a minute, bear with me. So here we are. If you look here, full battery low. Let's back you off a bit. Go down here. What does that say? Yeah, 100% remaining. Wow. So we'll plug the charger in. Yep. There we go. Fully charged, 100%. There we go. I'm going to unplug it. Stays on. So that means the battery's working. I've just got to ascertain now as to how long it's going to last. Hopefully. I mean, I'll add a little bit of the tail end onto it so I can tell you how long it lasted. But I'll tell you something, it'll last a lot longer than what was in it before. You know, it's annoying when your battery depletes and you no longer holds a charge. And they can be quite expensive as well. Anyway, I'm going to try and edit this video so it's a bit shorter because I've got several videos to stitch together and edit. But I'll go in the warm and do that. Anyway, I hope it's been helpful. If you know, even if it's an education, you know. Like I said, I never expected them to be 18650s inside that laptop. I thought it was going to be a lithium polymer bag type, you know, which the ones that swell over time. Luckily, this laptop, it just takes an ordinary laptop battery by the look of it, but it's inside the laptop instead of on the outside of it. So that was a nice surprise. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. It does help me out a bit. If not, then leave me some negative criticism. I don't mind. Anyway, bye for now. From Simon's Solar Shed.